We're now in a different part of town, Georgetown. We hope we don't get hit. Ooh, shit. Not sure. No feet. I think her and her folks are downstairs. My YouTube channel, if you do, let me know now. I'll block you out.
When are you putting on your YouTube channel?
I'm actually preparing material. I'm doing a video every day in April.
Oh, that's cute.
It's not quite April, but I have enough material.
They blocked me out because I look like a grandma.
Censorship.
Whose is this? Whose phone is this? Why are you taking to you?
I know what I did. Alright, so we're having an amazing time bonding. Sisterhood. Family. I just had my very close, dear friend donate her kidney. So we're in recovery right now, and she is in just positively great spirits. So I just we're just talking about the power of your mind and being able to give and how your mind directs your body. And she's a true testament to that. So you guys should, what she did, all of that, what she just said, all of that. Do it again. Blah, 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 blah. Because that's how your body works. But it makes sense. It functions. Right?
I can't tell. You know that video with that man who was like on this interview, like TV interview, and his children.
Oh yes, that one is so fun.
And everybody thought that was his mistress, but that was his wife. And she was panicked. And she didn't look so panicked. It couldn't have been a black woman. She would have been like, get over here, kid. She wouldn't have been tripping so hard.
When you come on TV, I'll get some good one.
I'm scared. I ain't eating that. He said, phew.
She tell you, Harry.
You're supposed to take a picture of this. This is what you're supposed to be doing.
Okay, look. I'm having some English haba.
English. I don't want to get. We got to English harbor.
I'm trying to have an Antiguan accent.
No, try. Don't try so hard.
Say it again.
Don't try so hard.
English
harbor.
harbor. Yeah, because we're British colonies. English harbor.
Teach history.
10 years. Age rum. Antigua.
Oh, what time are you coming for you?
And we're gonna mix it with some Canada Dry ginger ale lemonade.
You need some ice.
And some ice? You think I need some ice?
Yeah.
Okay, boss. Uh-oh. Y'all gonna wish me luck. Y'all know I should be mixing. All of this food. There's macaroni and cheese. There's snapper. There's curry chicken, curry good. It's just like so much food. And I'm gonna have some English harbor. Some English harbor, please. May I have some English harbor? Thank you.